Hey everyone, Fox from Fox and Kit Woodworks and Fox Den Videos, bringing you the tip and trick of the week. And this week, it's going to be a multi-tip video. We're going to be talking about squeeze out and how to keep it clean so we don't have to do as much finishing down the road. First off, what is squeeze out? Squeeze out's when you actually take two pieces of wood or whatever you're doing, inlay, miters, joining, and you press them together and you're trying to get that glue to squeeze out the sides so that way you know you have a nice tight joint where the glue is going to set and hold it together. Now the problem is the glue is going to come out the top and the bottom, so up here, down here, and when we come back to finish it, we need to remove it, otherwise it's going to ruin our finish. So, first part, how are we going to know we put enough pressure on here? Well, you see the glue come out, it's not shifting, not bowing, not twisting, stop. Don't do any more pressure. Overpressuring it's going to cause those issues. Secondly, keep a wet rag with you. You can take that wet rag and you can actually wipe all that glue off. One better step to that would be taking some paste wax if you have it around, rubbing it on those sides along that glue joint, front and bottom, top, all that stuff. And then when you do your squeeze out and it starts to dry, it'll actually peel off because it can't stick to that paste wax. The other thing you can do is keep a chisel with you, and as it's drying, just scrape it off. But make sure it's a dull chisel. You don't want to damage that wood. Finally, with masking tape, what you can do is run a bead of it or strip of it along that edge, and when you put them together and that squeeze out happens, it'll be on the tape instead of your wood and you can just peel it off. Lastly, my favorite, especially when doing boxes and joints and miters, is basically taking your pieces of wood that you're going to miter together or glue together, putting a piece of tape there while it's opened up, that way you know it's nice and tight, and then running your bead of glue, closing it up, and then taking your final piece of tape and running it there to hold it. It'll work in the place of a clamp. You should go back and add some more masking tape to it to make sure it's tight, and if you have clamps, use them. Anyways, that's the tips and tricks of the week. Stay safe and have a great day.